Hi everyone, today is Planner Monday and we're going to work on setting up my A5 MUJI vertical planner that I want to try out with a sticker kit. So here is the week that we're working on, January 8th to the 14th. And the sticker kit is from Simply Gilded. This is a tropical luxe. It was part of the sub box when it was more full, like more of a fancy sub box. I don't know how many years ago that was now, but I got this as, I think, part of a random gift pack when I was ordering during, I think, Black Friday. So the Tropical Luxe kit has some bow seals, and this is the kind of like a matte, more of a matte gold. Then you've got two sets of date dots. Oh, I see. These are the heart icons with the dates, and these are the heart icon basic, which are basically these, but more of them. You can tell I've not used a Simply Gilded kit in quite a while. Here you have an extra full box, some half boxes, and a little bit of deco. And then the kit itself is only 2 pages. That's why I thought it would be really good for pre-planning. But it has 3 sets of headers. So for me, I think because I'm going with the Tropical Luxe theme, I'm going to use this set because the green and the white can be used later on. Going to be difficult because these are not cut exactly, they're not going to fit very well. I think I'm just going to overlap them. Columns are 3.5 centimeters, while the stickers themselves are like 3 3/4. So these are definitely sized more for like Erin Condren or a larger notebook, not an A5. I ended up pre-planning in that video that I'll link up above, but I changed so many things, so I ended up sticking stickers down, and I'm gonna try to do something a little bit that I will actually stick to. I always feel like this is such a waste to just use like the week of it, because when am I going to use that color scheme again? And then what am I going to do? Like, this is much more better suited for an entire month of planning. So I think I won't. I might just write it out or use other date dots. Oh, and I really wanted to use stickers, like a full sticker kit, because it was kind of, you can see the shadowing and bleed through on this side. I will use the boxes that have the most of the theme. Like, I don't know how you're supposed to write on this black box at all. But let's also put this one down to do. So I think I might end up using all of these black boxes in this spread. So I actually had to take my phone, because I'm filming on my phone, but I needed it to figure out what gym schedule I was going to take. And the ones I used were from the Heart Icons Basic. I didn't really have any options. I used up all of the barbell ones, dumbbells. And so I got 3 of the bow icons that I used. These are tentative classes that I'm taking. Oh yes, so these will be, so this is Planner Monday, video that I need to edit and upload. This is going to be a Washi Wednesday. Here we've got Fountain Pen Friday. And then this one is going to be a stationery Sunday. I think I'm going to just continue this block down here. And I'm going to use up all the black ones. Guess it will work. That look a bit weird. These icons aren't as useful. They're not something that I can really identify with my activities. But use a TV there. So I guess I'm going to have to figure out what kind of pen can write on black and these dark ones. And I'm going to try. I think this pen can work on this kind of like more slippery paper. I think this is vinyl, but if I wait long enough for this to dry, this is the Uniball one, which is a very good pen. It's very dark. So I'm going to wait for that to dry and then also look at my schedule to see what else is up. What else is going to be happening. I don't think I'm going to use this sheet or this sheet, and the rest of these stickers I will try to use in another planner with me, probably to mix it up with some other ones, like some other leftover stickers. I'm going to try to use up these checklists here. And then maybe some of these icons that are more pattern-like, as well as this. So I guess that is my first attempt at using the Simply Gilded sticker kit. I can't say I love it, but I will try to figure out how to fill out the rest of the week and check back with you next week. But please show me how you would use, or how you've used some Simply Gilded kits during a weekly planner, like a weekly plan with me for the weekly layout that don't quite fit, because I don't think it's like enough stickers. Like the stuff that is in here is not that functional, in my opinion. But anyways, that is going to be it. I will check in with you again next week about how this went, and we might not do this again, but I think it was a good try. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.